So I wanted to do a video on my trip to London. That will hopefully come, but it's taking a bit of time to edit it. In the meantime, it's December, it's well into the fourth quarter, and I've not told you about the OpenStreetMap UK quarterly project. It's a bit cold, I am outside, but it's a bit cold in the winter, and it's more likely to rain around the UK. So the quarterly project's one that you can do from home while you're resting from your Christmas dinner perhaps. So I'm going to record my screen as usual and you can see what I do. So on the SM UK website we're revisiting addresses which are important for a map database, and the wiki page gives you various information. There's different ways to put addresses for businesses into OpenStreetMap. You can do that with surveying and using apps like Keypad Mapper that I've explained in the past. There's also some databases that are open data, so we have permission to use the information from them and put it into OpenStreetMap. One of these is the Food Hygiene Rating System from the Food Standards Agency, and we've got a helpful tool that's been created. So if we go to down to County Durham, only 0.3% of businesses that have a food standards rating have a matching object in OpenStreetMap that can be matched. So we get some graphs and we can see this map. So County Durham is rather big and rural, which is why I tend to focus here. So the purple points, like the station house, that's got postcode, so we can open that up and you can see on OpenStreetMap it's got postcode and other details about it. Although I just realised the opening times are wrong on there, they're out of date. There's orange objects, so they're in OpenStreetMap but don't have a postcode. So they'll be harder to find people who are using that. And there's these blue bits that list the number of businesses that have a postcode that's somewhere in that area, because we can't know the exact location from a postcode. But we got links to the food hygiene rating system. So for Domino's Pizza, I can open that. I can see the address and some details about Domino's Pizza. And if I go back to the one that is in orange, I can edit it in JOSM, but I have that open already. So if I find here, there's the object for Domino's Pizza, as we can see on the right, and it doesn't have a postcode. So if we go here, we can see the postcode is DH1 4SE. So back to JOSM, simply put it in as address postcode, and while we're here we can also get this number out of the URL and go FHRS :ID and put the ID in there so that it gets matched and we know that's exactly where Domino's is. On this example you can also see the benefit that we mapped. There's the main entrance, so although the address is North Road, the main entrance is on the corner, and there's a different entrance here which is private for staff, so you don't get confused. So I'll close that. I'll move around to my kind of pizza, which is that one there. It's got the postcode, but we can put the ID. HRS. There we go. The next one is the station house. So take the ID, select the item, go HRS, and I can change the opening time because I know that. And did that have the postcode? It does have the postcode. And the Bridge House, which is the larger pub. Just postcode. No, I don't. I remember what I copied. The right one, yeah. And take the postcode. Go, close that. And that's those 4 businesses done there. I'll then upload to Gotham. It's complained saying I should put in the opening times for the station house, but I don't completely know them. You notice I've also not put in the actual hygiene rating. That's because it could change and it might not be updated in OpenStreetMap, but if someone was interested, they can use the open data for the rating and they can link it to the object in OpenStreetMap to show where it is. And if someone was building a tool, an app or a website, they would always have the most up-to-date map and the most up-to-date rating. So my edit today is adding some postcodes and FHRS IDs. So I've not done a survey, not done GPS or photos, have used Bing ever so slightly, and I've used local knowledge, also used the food hygiene rating service. I'm not sure if we're suggesting we put in any other source tags. Yeah. So we'll upload that change. Now I'm not sure how often this page updates. I think it might be daily. It last updated at 7 AM this morning, so maybe I'll come back and show you how the colours have changed. But for now, I'll crack on doing some of the other objects in the centre of Durham City.